welcome back to A Cup of Coffee. Like I had said in the previous video that I will be posting more clothes haul videos, so I am back with another video. In this video I will be showing few clothes and shoes. So let's get on with it. The products that I have ordered are from again Ajio, and this is not a sponsored video. The first product that I will be showing you guys is this men's sweatshirt from Wranglers. The showroom price of this product is 2195 and the size I ordered is a small size, but when I ordered this product from Ajio I only paid 510 rupees, so obviously you can see that there was a massive discount. This product has these sort of designs on the shoulder. It sits exactly at the shoulder blade. The product is a very thick material, so you can use it more in the winter. Inside the material looks like this, so it is sort of like a foamy woolen material. It's a very thick material. The next product that I will be showing is this burgundy colored hoodie again. This product is also from Ajio, and the size I ordered is a medium size, and the showroom price of this product is where is it? See the price? Yeah, so it's 1800, but I paid only 450. As you can see, Ajio definitely offers a lot of discounts on their products. Now this hoodie also has these center pockets, so it's not a single it's a single pocket. It's not like two separate pockets, so it's just one long stretch, and it has a really big hoodie as well. So this product is a really nice product. The material is very soft and very smooth. It is not the sort of material that collects lint after you wash it. You can see that by touching the material itself that it is a very good product. So moving on to the next product are these shoes that I had ordered from Ajio. These shoes are basic ballerina flats. The reason I ordered this is just because it looks cute and very fancy. You can top it up with jeans and any fancy top. They have this cute bow in the front, and they have all these fancy little beads. The price of this product, as you can see as given here, is 500. I don't think you can actually see. It's 500, size 5, but I paid I paid 500 for this as well. So there wasn't a discount on this product, but 500 is not a lot of money. This is extremely comfortable, and the inside material is a sort of foamy, not foamy exactly, but it is a very soft material, so it's not going to hurt your feet. So it's a very nice product. It's a good product. The next product is also a shoe, but it is from this brand called Adorely. These are black and silver embellished shoes. So this is what the product looks like. I'm just going to remove this packaging now. So you can see it is a dual tone. On the right side, I mean on one side there's a black color, and then on the other side there are these, glitter sparkly things. It's a very fancy shoe. It looks very, very stylish. The price for this product was that we paid was 990, and the showroom price for this product is 1600. So again, there was a lot of discount on this product. This product is also a very good product, and exactly like I said, the inside material of this product is also very soft, so it's not going to hurt your feet. And these glitter things aren't like the ones that come off easily. As you can see, I'm rubbing my hands on them, but there's no residue left, and it's not going to fall off easily. It is quite firmly stuck. So this is another really nice product. So these were one of the shoes that I had ordered. Now the next product is also a shoe. So this next product I still have to, okay, let me just grab my scissors. I'm going to open it now. Ajio's packaging is, like always, really good. So I'm gonna be talking about this product first. I'll talk about the shoe a little later. Now, this is a kurta. It's sort of babyish pink in color, and it has slits, so obviously you can't just wear it like that. You'll have to wear it with leggings. It's a very fancy kurta and it looks very expensive as well. The size I got was a large and the price is 2,650, but I paid only 560 for this. So Ajio obviously always offers a major discount on their products. I'm just going to lift the product so you can see it clearly. This is what it looks like from the front and with the slits, and this is what it looks like at the back. There are no slits at the back, it's just at the front. The designs on this product are not too exaggerated. It's a very simple design that they have, and the borders, the border also has these little whatever these sparkly things are. It's, yeah, chunkies, okay. And these are not going to fall off easily as well. As you can see, it's quite firmly stuck there, and this also does not leave any residue behind. So this is also a good product, and this is a sleeveless product, but and there are no sleeves given along with this, so it is a sleeveless product. Okay, so I'd say that you can wear this product with leggings, palazzos, and skirts. It will look very fancy. It's a very traditional outfit. You can wear it to a lot of occasions like weddings or, you know, just simple family gatherings. It is a very nice product. And the material, yes, let's talk about the material. The material is also very nice. It is a very simple, smooth material, and by touching the material, the first thing that comes to mind is that it's going to be easy to iron this product because it's easy to get rid of the creases and the wrinkles. So that's one big advantage I can say. And just by feeling the material, I can say that it is a very good quality material. So it's worth the money that I paid, worth the price that I paid. Okay, now let's move on to the shoe. The next product is this shoe from United Colors of Benetton. These are again grey colored shoes with these glitters on the side. The difference between this shoe and this shoe is that this is sort of a very soft glitter, and when you touch it you can't really feel those feel like it pokes out, but with this you can feel like it's a little bumpy. Either ways, both of them are very good products, completely different products, but yeah. So you can see they have this fancy little logo over here. This is something that I really liked about this product, just makes it look extremely fancy. And at the back it says Benetton. So the price of this product, as you can see in the tag over here, is 3,500, but and the size, as you can see over here, okay, the size isn't mentioned, but whatever, the price of the showroom price of this is 3,500, but I paid only 740 rupees for this product. So they have this shoe has this sort of logo thing over here and this part to keep the shoelaces in place, and the material, it's a very soft material on the outside. So basically it only has the glitter parts on the sides of the shoe, and in the middle it has this darker shade of grey. You can wear it with anything. You can wear it with casuals or, you know, even formals. It doesn't look too exaggerated. The inside of the shoe is also very soft. This part of the shoe I can say is a bit bouncy, and this part of the shoe is quite firm. So when you wear this product, it is not going to make your leg feel suffocated. It's just going to keep your legs, you know, it's not going to feel pokey or unnecessarily you know, just cause trouble for your feet. I can say it's a very good product. So these are the products that I had ordered for this haul. So that's a lot of products. The thing about these products is that the showroom prices of all these products were extremely high, but then on Ajio I ended up getting them for less than half a price. Again, I'm repeating, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just a shopaholic, and I'm just shopping and, you know, just making videos about them. In the next video, I will be posting, I will be talking about more clothes that I will be purchasing, more casual clothes and more western clothes, just a mix of both of them. So that will be in the next video. I will also be uploading a link of all these products in the description box, so make sure you guys go check it out if you're interested in buying them. And yeah, make sure you like, share and subscribe my videos. In the next video I will be talking about more clothes that I will be purchasing, so stay tuned for that.